how to block or allow gestures with S Pen for the navigation bar on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up or pressing on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now, at the top here, we swipe down to open up quick settings. Next, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on display. Next, scroll down, then tap on navigation bar. From here, choose swipe gestures, then tap on more options. At the top here, tap on block gestures with S Pen. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And here said prevent the S Pen from being used for navigation gestures. This helps when drawing or writing near the edge of the screen. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.